Has your door flap on your Ram for the parking brake broke? Did it break is what I meant. Well, mine has after 11 years of use. Tugging this thing in, out, in, out, in, out. Kind of what she said. But anyway, I ordered a new one. This is the color khaki. It's close, but my inside is, it's 11 years old. So this is close enough. And I'll put a link in the description below. But I'm going to show you how to put this thing on. What you're going to first want to do is get your plastic removal tool and just want to pop this door just above where that is. But on the old one, this pull rod, just got to pop that off, and then so snap that on, and then up under here. Well, if I was able to see better. Oh, that wire came out. Gotta fix that while I'm here. Out of the way. Okay. Dang. I had to get my big melon down there. All right, got that wiring fixed. These go to my LED lights. So just turn it around the right way. Snap that back. Okay. There we go. Got those back. All right, I'm gonna try to show you how I got this new panel back in here. Okay, I was trying to show a better angle, but I can't without doing this. But like in my note at the beginning of the video, just make sure your truck or vehicle is chalked or has your parking brake. It's in park or in gear if you got a standard shift. Anyway, this little thing, you need to put this panel all the way back like this. You're going to pull this rod right here. You're going to hand pull it forward as far as you can to get the mail in through this hole. And then when you do that, you just swing this white clip up until it snaps, and you're going to do all that while the door is shut like this. So it's going to be all up behind this thing, and it's not that difficult, but just keep the door forward and then pull that lever arm or brake release arm all the way forward, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, hope that explained it. That's what you're trying to get. Just get it like that, and then it's good to go. All right, I hope that helped you. Done with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE out.